Rhinelander, Oneida County Airport, Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Automated weather observation 1738 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 2100. Temperature -13 Celsius. Dew point -17 Celsius. Altimeter 3015. Remarks. Density altitude -1600.
Fuel selected on both. Mixtures full rich. Trim is set for takeoff. Left mag, we got a 50 drop back to both. Right mag. 50 drop back to left, stable, back to both. Suction gauge, we do not have amp meter. We show negative discharge and our low voltage light comes on. Fuel select on both. We gotta check our controls. Light controls are up. Light controls are free and correct. Landing lights coming on, and we'll just let it warm up for a little bit. Idle check is good. Rhinelander traffic, Skyhawk 525, 1 Echo departing 27, staying in the pattern, Rhinelander. Alrighty, we'll just do a normal takeoff. Two-7 outside, 27 in here times. Takeoff power is set. Gauges are in the green. 40 knots. 55, rotate. $70 knots. Engine is still good. And there's VY. Rhinelander traffic 525, 1 Echo left crosswind 27. Rhinelander traffic 525, 1 Echo left downwind 27. Alrighty, gas. Lights are all on, wheels are down, mixture is set, undercarriage, mixture prop, car beat, seat belts. And 10 degrees flaps. We'll do a normal landing first. Alrighty. Rhinelander traffic 5-1 Echoes left base 27 Rhinelander. Below 85, 20 degrees. Rhinelander traffic 5-1 Echoes final 27. Airspeed's good, we're a little bit high. Flaps confirmed, flaps up, carpet off. And flaps are up. Full power, speed's alive, 55, rotate. Rhinelander traffic 5-1 Echo turning left crosswind 27. Rhinelander traffic 525-1 Echo turning left downwind 27. Alrighty, we'll do a soft field landing. Beam our touchdown gas, lights, undercarriage, mixture, prop, car peat, seat belts. Below 110, 10 degrees flaps. Rhinelander traffic 525-1 Echo left base 27. Alrighty, we're on base 20 degrees. This will be a soft field, we'll just hold the nose off. Rhinelander traffic 5-1 Echoes final 27. And we'll just hold the nose off. There we go. We got 4,000 feet of runway left. Flaps are up, car peat's off. Take take some of the trim out and full power. Airspeed's alive, 55, rotate. Alright, this one will be a short field landing. We gotta make it 100 feet for commercial standards. Abeam our touchdown, gas lights, undercarriage, mixture, prop, car, seat, seatbelts. And we're below 110, we'll put down 10 degrees of flaps. We'll do simulated max braking, but we won't actually max brake. So we'll land in the second half of the 1,000 footers. On glide slope, on airspeed. Second half of the 1,000 footers. We'll simulate max braking, we won't actually. But we'll stop and do a short field takeoff. Alrighty, here comes our 50-foot obstacle. And we're clearing it. Flaps confirmed, flaps up. Takeoff power set. Airspeed is alive. 40 knots. 50, 55, rotate. There's VX. There's 50 feet, transition to VY. Nice. Alrighty, now we'll do a power off 180 accuracy approach. Gotta slow it down just a little bit. There's 95 knots, that looks good. A beam our point, gas lights, undercarriage, mixture, prop, car, seat belts. And power comes to idle, 1,000. Alrighty, there's 20 seconds. We'll turn left base, we're looking good. Rylander traffic 5, when echoes left base 27. And the 1,000 footers is our point. Probably going to be a little bit high. Rylander traffic 5, when echo is final 27. Alrighty, we're a little high. We're going to put in 10 degrees of flaps. And we're still fast, we'll put in 20. Still a little far, we'll go full flaps. There's our point. Flaps confirmed, flaps up, carburetor heat off. Takeoff power set, 55, rotate. Positive rate. VY. Rylander traffic 5251 Echo, making a right turn off the departure into 27, heading up to North Rylander. Alright, we'll use that farm implement there and those hangers over there. Alright, let's get down to 2300. Ground speed's 80 knots. Should be like 600 feet actually. Yeah, we'll get down to 22. Yeah, we'll make our ground speed 90 knots or so. Alrighty, there's our first point off to the left. Our ground speed's 81 knots right now, our airspeed's 90. At a ground speed of 81, we should be at like 600 feet, which we're at. Our ground speed's increasing. We'll have to climb just a little bit. Starting to spot out our other point. I see it. Hold this one here. Alrighty, and there is our other point.
Rhinelander traffic, airport maintenance vehicle be entering runway 1533, Rhinelander.
These are looking good. A little far from this point now. I'm a little bit high. Alrighty, we're at 2,200 feet. Gonna get cruise power. Get cruise speed. Looking out for obstacles. We're clear up to this field. There's 2,300 feet. Here comes 105 knots, 2,300 RPMs. Alrighty, there we go. We're gonna bank 30, full power. Pitch up. There's our point. Hold that pitch attitude. Start rolling out the ailerons nice and slow. Keep that pitch up. There's west. And let her settle down. Again, almost just about 1,000 feet actually. Alright, there's 4,000 feet. 2,100 RPMs, we'll say 2,000 probably actually. Creep to 4,000 feet. 2,000 RPMs, 95 knots, that looks good. We'll go to the left and then to the right. Alrighty, to the left. 50 degrees of bank. And our heading is east. Here comes east. right there. There's our wake. There's 50 degrees of bank. Alrighty, and there's east. Very good. Those look nice. Okay, let's get back down and do lazy eights. Alrighty, there's our point. And up we go. There's our point. Man, those are fun. And we're level, a little bit lower than 3,000. Slowly start rolling out the pitch. There's our altitude. We're level. And up we go again. Pitch bank, pitch bank, pitch bank, pitch bank. There's our airspeed. And the nose slices. That's their rolling out. There's our altitude. Off we go back to Rylander.